Hi everyone! Samahan niyo kami pumunta sa National Museum of Anthropology. The National Museum of Anthropology is one of the places to go if you want to see some indigenous crafts and their work. Our group decided na magkita na lang sa Freedom Park and from Marikina Bayan ay sumakay kami ng jeep at bumaba sa Katipunan Station. Mas recommended namin na sumakay ng LRT dahil nga sa convenient and mas mura lalo na kapag ikaw ay isang student. Pagdating sa Recto ay naglakad kami papuntang LRT1 para sumakay ulit sa Doroteo Jose Station papuntang United Nations Station. Pagbaba ng United Nations Station, we decided na kumain muna at sakto nga dahil may nakita kaming fishbowlan. After a very long walk, we finally arrived sa National Museum of Anthropology. Kailangan mo nang iwan ang mga malalaking bag para payagang makapasok sa loob ng museum. We bought some foods kasi we plan to picnic sa Manila Luneta Park. At para na rin less gastos. Upon entering, bumungad agad sa amin ang Ifugao Traditional House. The Ifugao Traditional House, called a bale or fail, is a unique elevated structure built by Ifugao people of the Philippines. It reflects their rich culture, ingenuity, and adaptation to the mountainous environment of Cordillera region. It has an elevated design, octagonal or square floor plan, hapdong, single-room interior, and underneath storage. We also see the bayong of Hanunong Mangyan people from Mindoro Island. It is a traditional hand-woven bag made from the natural materials like buri or palm leaves or nito and vine fibers. And also the saruk, a traditional woven headgear from Mindoro and the Cordillera region. It is crafted from natural materials like bamboo, rattan, or nito vines, showcasing the craftsmanship of indigenous community. Pagkatapos nito ay umakyat kami sa third floor upang makita ang faith tradition and place. Lumad Mindanao is where the indigenous peoples of Mindanao who have preserved their distinct cultures, tradition, and ways of life despite modernization. It is where we discovered the female and male upper garment, bukidnon, male and male saol from Davao, umpok tangko, impok kolete, kabol, at umpok. Tinalak is a sacred, hand-woven textile made by the Teboli people of South Cotabato, Mindanao. It is crafted from abaca fibers. They also have the metal smithing, which is the lantaka or the cannons, and also the ornaments. When in terms of instruments, they also have the kolintang, tabu, which is the big drum, and dabo-dabo.